Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Vlahovic don't conduct one interview with the Telegraph. So they can't ask Baba about Arsenal move, why him no join Arsenal. So Baba can come outside, can explain, say in agents no tell him about Arsenal offer. Say he no even hear anything about that. Say it be like say the agents keep him to himself, probably because him now all in focus, everything with in mind as at that time now Juventus. So that's why the agent no really tell us. So no be saying snub Arsenal, say no even hear about the offer. You get now the thing when they tell us whether not true, whether not lie. But then they use that one as scope me because people don't criticize and say in leave Fiorentina go Juventus where you know when they perform well. You can't be like say in the regress, you know when they develop, they go forward again because he does score fewer number of goals for Juventus there compared to the way they did score in goals per game ratio for Fiorentina, because even Fiorentina presidents, I think the Oroko Commisso where they talk say Vlahovic could have been better suited for Arsenal because they wanted Arsenal. Arsenal offered the bigger money. Arsenal offered better payment structure. Arsenal offered better salary. Arsenal offered everything. But the guy at the end of the day go join a Juventus. So Baba just come outside and clear the essay. He no even hear. It's like Arsenal was not even existing to him then because he no even hear that. Agents keep on to himself. Well, it is what it is. That one don't pass. Arsenal don't officially announce Marquinhos deal. They don't announce him. The guy don't sign new contract up till 2027, and this guy cost us I think £3.5 million. And no be the guy actual valuation be that. You know, say for those who don't really know the backstory where did this guy deal. This guy signed a 5-year contract for Sao Paulo. We will take him for 20 years, and the guy is 19 years. But they signed him out of ignorance because there's a rule for FIFA. We talk say any player with the underage, like all this guy 19-year-old and with the underage, you can't give him anything more than 3 years contract. You get so as they can't give him a 5 years contract, that contract can be null and void. So the guy deal will come expire July 12. You get so once he expire by July 12 for Sao Paulo, it's going to be a free agent as they don't cancel that in 5-year contract, don't be null and void. So as Edu Gaspar can't understand this thing, they can't take advantage. Can't still pay them £3.5 million, even though the guy contract they expired July 12, and other teams, other clubs who they interested in the guy, they wait for the July 12 so that they will sign the guy as a free agent. But we now can't go there, can't offer them £3.5 million. That is why we check now. Sao Paulo coach, the guy they very angry. Like how did they make such a mistake? Because this guy, that person they don't want to make him go. The guy na hot property. They play very well for Sao Paulo. You know what it means to be in Sao Paulo first team. You know, say Brazilians they get talents like mad. For you to be in Sao Paulo first team, you are good. That's the coco. So the guy I watching clips for YouTube. The guy did very good, but the team is say presently now is not the kind of name Arsenal fans are clamoring for. Arsenal fans are looking for. Personally, for me, he's a good player, no doubt, but it's not like the name I'm looking for. We at this point now we look for household names. We don't just need an average player. I think they never reach a peak. He's still developing. You get so it's like a Martinelli. So we never reach a peak. So we need somebody who will come hit the ground running, giving you plenty goals and assists. That is what we are looking for now. So as it be now, Arsenal don't sign the guy. Well, but watch as things will turn out. Still on this Marquinhos deal, self. Many want take money from top the deal because Wolves don't come and sign the seek legal advice. They talking before, it can't be like a rumor. But now if say Arsenal don't announce the guy, they don't come outside again. And Daily Mirror, even the report and say Wolves are seeking a redress because they believe say they don't agree a pre-contract, like a pre-deal agreement to sign Marquinhos from Sao Paulo. They were proposing say okay, once the guy contract don't expire in July 12, then July 14, they will carry the guy, sign everything they need to sign, can't send the guy out on loan to Feeders Club that they call Grasshopper. That was their own plan. But at the end of the day, you know, can't work out like that. Arsenal can't swoop in, collect the guy. So them now be the aggrieved party. They are not very happy. So they don't seek some kind lawyers for Brazil there. Even Yahoo Sports waiting for Brazil now even come outside and post the news say Wolves don't agree a pre-contract agreement with this guy and in Timo. So now Arsenal don't snatch the guy for their hand. So I go be now. So we never know how all these things will happen. But all we know is say Arsenal don't already sign the guy. The guy is a hot property. Arsenal are likely going to add him because there's some talk say the guy go join the first team for the pre-season, but we never know whether our first team go play next season and being go there for the under-23 side, or we are going to send him out on loan. We don't really know. All we know now is say the guy is an Arsenal player. Wolves are not happy. They are seeking to take the guy to court, not Arsenal. They want to take him to court to seek a redress. Whereas alternatively, for some other people from this voting for Brazil, they're going to say like just verbal agreements. So you're not supposed to be binding. It's just verbal. They don't sign any paper, no contract. Now for July 14, they won't sign the normal contract and everything because they were waiting for the guy to go out as a free agent. Well, anyhow with this court case they go, I will let you know. So away from that, Lazio don't join the race to sign Pablo Mari. They say they really need the guy. I mean, I don't forget say AC Milan said the reason the guy said they won't sign him. All these things are because of saying go on loan to Udinese, and he played very well for Udinese. So everybody now done this camp. I know say the guy are towering giants. I know say Serie A no be like EPL be say fast and furious back. For them as slow and steady wins the race gets. So and in height and in power, can they help him? So well, it will favor us because the guy don't really be part of our members, so we won't use the surplus of requirements over here. So I believe say if they offer money, Arsenal will likely accept. Well, let's see how it goes. Rafinha and the agent self don't ignore everybody when they interested in the guy, both Arsenal, Manchester United, everybody. See, the only offer we don't want to entertain, we don't want to listen, now be Barcelona. See, the guy like Barcelona go on, so now Barcelona in one go because Barcelona from what they hear, they see they don't want to collect Adama Traore again. They want to send them back to Wolves. They maybe Tottenham Hotspur will come kickstart that deal again. We don't really know how it's going to work. But as of now, presently, what will they see? They say this guy not they interested in us, and the good that he don't come outside officially. They let everybody know say we're in heart today at Barcelona, so that we go cancel them from our wish list. Move forward. On my monetary spirit that they call HLN, don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal don't they monitor your retailers for like 12 months now. They don't they talk with the representatives back to back for like 12 months. Say they really need to sign this guy quickly and they will wrap the deal anytime soon. This one are good news for me. I like him because I know say Telemans is interested in moving to Arsenal where he go fit the guaranteed first shares. Arsenal self like the guy. Even Manchester United they interested in him. You get so well. I'm very happy say he go one people because this guy is regular for Belgium now. They play with all those Kevin De Bruyne and the rest of them there now. So I'm very happy for him. Well, but the watchers they go like I always say. I'm not say time. I always talk say time day. Though some people will say Baba CHUKS time no deal. I guess, but no just the watch. Hopefully we will sign. Man, I no fear. He sure me. Man City don officially announced Erling Haaland to the world yesterday, and they announced and say, okay, we don't sign the guy. Here he comes. So here he is. Well, it makes sense because Man City upgrade madly, as in they get number 9, not just one, they buy 2. They at the same time, Liverpool self follow their footsteps, collect that with Nunes. So I never know how the chain reaction will. Because chain reaction don't start now. That when Nunes don't go Liverpool, Mane will go Bayern, Sentinel will be available. Arsenal fit camp and collect them. We never really know how all these things will move. But Manchester United self never sign Shingbai. They scam. Their new coach Shola, that one self will sign. You will need to review because many of the players they come out. All those kind of Matic try to say they go Juve. Matic don't go Roma. Don't do medical. That one don't confirm. Juve don't offer 4 years contract to Pogba, but that one don't go. Many players they come out for that Manchester United. And when I see the list, they reach like 9 or 10 where they find their square root to get. So then self will do massive overhaul. So we self guys use our tongue counter at it. I know say Ateta self no they happy with the situation of things. Saying never sign players. Marquinhos, but not just tip of the iceberg. That one are fishy. Don't be the main players who they find. That one are just bonus. You get more just keep on one side. Our Fiorentina don't come outside. They offer £6 million for Lucas Torreira, saying now what they get at the moment and what they feel afford as they call the para. So which kind of team be this one? One I would offer us less than half of what we talk. I think they agree the deal in principle for £15 million. Fiorentina come outside and say they don't get money. 15 million, not 50, 15. Because they don't get the money. So Arsenal don't even respond to their latest offer again. As I always leave them. Even Torreira self don't come outside and they agree. Say okay, no, yeah, I say you understand. Say Fiorentina no get the money. Though Fiorentina in first choice, and they in one go play in football because in they look for any way go play regularly. If Arsenal now offer Torreira say we go play regularly next season, the guy go stay. You know, with the ginger say I won't come out. Everybody won't play regularly. Why? Because World Cup is on the horizon. World Cup is coming soon, midway to the season. November, December, World Cup will start. So no time. Everybody won't play for the national team, and you can't play for the national team when you are on the Benjamin for your club. You can't be, your coach will not pick you based on past glory. If you say based on current form, and you are rusty, so how can they come and pick you? That's why guys on the move. So Torreira talk say if you see another place, an alternate location where you say they will give a shola, say you go play regular week in week out, you go find square roots. Pablo Mari don't give Asensio until June 20, say make him decide in future. See, they no get time. This guy has 1 year left on his contract. In the fear say he no go get game time for this Madrid setup. Meanwhile, Madrid self they still need him as cover. Him no one day as cover. He won't be the main man. He won't play. Arsenal don't officially let him say, guy, we won't carry you. We didn't interested in you. Come join us. Come reason us. They don't follow in representatives or whether an agents go call them. Follow them talk. So Arsenal they interested. So now till June 20, we go know whether we go fit move for him. I will not go fit move for him because the Real Madrid hierarchy itself, they wait for him, making top what he wants. Anything we decide, they will abide by him. So more they wait till June 20 when they want making your feature. So we ain't go. Richarlison himself don't come outside on the yarn doors too. But what can they talk say? And now only Spurs and Chelsea. Say you don't want any other person. Now you all Brazil and UOL Brazil. Now they let us know this news. Say Richarlison wants only Spurs and Chelsea. Now between those two, he will choose. Probably because of Champions League football. Well, it's not bad. I like as we get all this clarity early, so that we know those who will pursue to get. Because all of us know say without Champions League football, it gets some kind of targets. Who will it go for? We will snub us. We already knew this from the onset, so make it not come as a surprise to us. Let's move on. Martinelli himself don't welcome Marquinhos after Arsenal announced, and so Baba can go for social media, can post, welcome brother, we are together for year, because Brazilian contingent for Arsenal, they plenty. We start with Edu Gaspar, who will be the technical director. Can't go for Gabriel Mogales. Can't go for Gabriel Martinelli. Now can't get Marquinhos. Come on, man. It makes sense now. Everybody, Brazilian, they're going to speak together. Everybody go be happy. They go make the guy feel at home. You don't go feel like say in there for one kind of foreign land. I'm not gonna know whether the guys don't sabi speak English and whether now only Spanish in they speak. Well, I just dey happy sha. But now he did left to Arsenal more than tell us whether the guy go play next season and he's going out on loan. Or they wait. Very soon, this is going to be clearer. Kevin Campbell said don't come as I can't tell the hybrid squad one program like that. Say Gabriel Jesus now be the best presser for EPL. Like the guy they press going. You see all that work in case I they do. Where some kind of mistakes can't happen for some kind of goalkeeper where the guy collect ball score. All those kind of things now be the pressing. Like I said, I cannot do that because he don't get the pace to burn. You get. So they say Gabriel Jesus because then and truly, there is no way you go play for a Man City side and you don't go know how to press. You see Man City, you see Liverpool, that then be Babala presser, that then be pressing. If you hear pressing machine, that then be presser. 5 minutes they don't collect ball back. Who you? They don't waste time. So this one I would be very happy as the guy they praise him. And going to talk say the guy will likely join Arsenal because many people they talk say this guy will join Arsenal. And one thing where Arsenal hierarchy go understand say we don't overhype this Gabriel Jesus deal. We don't blow him out of proportion. Many pundits don't talk about him. Many people don't talk about different things concerning Arsenal. He has accepted personal terms. They don't offer so bid. And Man City don't come outside deny say we don't offer bid. So all these things are facts that you cannot ignore. Then at the end of the day, if Arsenal don't get this guy and then don't sign a complete alternate player like a replacement, Arsenal fans feel revolt because you can't come and toy with our emotions like that. Give us false hope. Let us know that you want to sign Gabriel Jesus and later on you don't sign him. Nobody will be happy. So I would see this guy they talk Kevin Campbell. So me self, I second the motion because if we don't sign Gabriel Jesus, me personally self, I know will be very happy. But if we don't sign him, I can sign somebody with the also equally good. I will be very happy. So if you know what just today, you should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day, and this is a new week. And get out.